Why does your dream electric car cost so much? Unveiling the Tesla price tag. Ever dream of cruising down the road in a sleek, silent Tesla? But then reality hits, that price tag? It can jolt you harder than a lightning-fast acceleration. So, what exactly makes these electric marvels so expensive? Buckle up, because we're diving into the reasons why Teslas break the bank and whether it's all worth the Benjamins. First up, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room, battery costs. Think of them as the heart of any electric vehicle, and Tesla's battery packs are titans. They boast incredible range, but all that power comes at a price. Manufacturing these lithium-ion batteries is complex and resource-intensive. The raw materials aren't cheap either, with elements like cobalt and nickel playing a starring role. While battery technology is constantly improving, bringing costs down, it's still a major factor. But Teslas aren't just about batteries, they're about cutting-edge tech. Those giant touchscreens, self-driving capabilities, still under development, but with a lot of promise, and super-fast charging networks, they all add up. Developing this kind of tech requires a massive investment in research and engineering. Tesla pours a lot of resources into staying ahead of the curve, and those costs inevitably trickle down to the consumer. Speaking of resources, let's not forget production itself. Tesla hasn't exactly followed the traditional car manufacturer playbook. They've built their own massive factories, nicknamed gigafactories, to handle production. Setting up these beasts takes serious cash, and streamlining the manufacturing process for a new kind of car isn't exactly a walk in the park. Now, some might argue that Teslas simply command a premium because of the brand name. There's no denying Tesla has a certain cachet. They're seen as innovative, environmentally friendly, and luxurious. People are willing to pay more for that image. Think of it like the difference between designer jeans and your trusty pair of overalls. Both get the job done, but one carries a certain pedigree. But wait, there's more. Supply and demand play a big role too. Tesla doesn't exactly churn out millions of vehicles a year compared to traditional automakers. This limited supply, coupled with high demand, people really want these electric dream machines, pushes prices up. Here's the thing. Tesla isn't just selling cars, they're selling a future. A future focused on sustainable transportation, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience unlike any other. For some, that future is worth the premium. But for others, the sticker shock might be a deal-breaker. So, are Teslas worth the hefty price tag? Well, that depends on your priorities. If you crave cutting-edge tech, environmental consciousness, and sheer performance, a Tesla might be your electric chariot. But if affordability is your main concern, you might want to explore other options in the burgeoning electric vehicle market. The good news? Battery technology is constantly evolving, and production is scaling up. This means we can expect Tesla and other electric vehicle manufacturers to become more affordable in the coming years. So, the dream of an electric future might not be that far-fetched after all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.